Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about four very common words. I, me, my, mine. We use these words every day, but many people feel confused while speaking. So listen carefully. I'll explain this like normal daily talking. First, let's talk about I. When you talk about yourself, when you say what you do, you naturally say I. For example, I wake up early. I go to work. I like tea. Here, you are talking about you, so you say I. Now listen to me. Sometimes you are not doing anything. Something is happening to you. For example, he called me. She helped me. They invited me. Here, someone else is doing the action. You are just receiving it. So you say me. Now let's talk about my. When you talk about your things, you say my. This is my phone. That is my bag. My friend lives nearby. One simple thing to notice. When you say my, you always say something after it. My phone, my bag, my friend. Now listen to mine. Imagine two bags are on the table. Someone asks, which one is yours? You say, this one is mine. You don't repeat the word bag again. You just say mine. More examples. That seat is mine. This book is mine. The mistake is mine. Now listen to all four together. I am ready. The teacher called me. This is my notebook. This notebook is mine. Same person, different situations, different words. That's all. No rules to remember. Just understand the situation. Practice this while speaking daily. Slowly, your English will sound natural and confident. See you in the next video.